Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this episode I'm gonna fix the sound issue. As I mentioned before, my PSP acts as if headphones are plugged in, so I think that the problem is in 3.5 jack and I'm gonna replace it today. First of all, I need to take it apart, so let's do it quick. If I had a hot air gun, I would do it faster. So let's destroy and take this connector out. Then let's solder out everything that has left. Yeah, a few more pins and here we go. Then let's clean the motherboard, put on some flux, solder it and clean this again. This is a new connector. This is not the perfect one, but anyway, it looks good. To be so honest, I don't like red buttons on this console, so I decided to clean and put the black ones back. Nothing special, just a cheese brush and the soapy water. This sound means that we've done everything right. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and I'll see you next time.